There are signs and synchronies in every breath. Your awareness to what is around you will connect you to what's inside you. And so, whatever is inside you is amplified outside. So, your energy and your presence matter. If your internal dialogue is operating from a place of fear, then more fear will keep happening. More things, more tests. But if your internal dialogue is operating from love and peace and faith, you're putting that out there also. The level of acceptance of others has nothing to do with you. We're all on our own path, even if we're walking on the same road. The results are different because it's based on the root floor level of your existence and your experiences thus far. So we can be on the same path having a different experience based on our inner knowing and our inner truths. So hold space and love people from the level they're at, not the level in which you would like them to exist in. Even if it comes with frustration, keep your peace and know that no matter what, you're making a difference. And there will come a day where you see it. The fruits of your labor, the harvest, will be so ripe. Stop grabbing low-hanging fruit. Most people will be satisfied with what's on the floor, and they'll never try to reach higher. They'll be satisfied with receiving anything. And some want what they want, and they're not afraid to go after it, no matter what that comes with. If they see beauty at the floor, let's just say at the root of the tree, at the middle of the tree, at the top of the tree, it's based on your ability and willpower to reach for more. So you take something from the floor and you absorb it, and you allow it to settle in your stomach and your heart, and you say, that's what I deserve. And then maybe something comes along where you see somebody else at a higher level of being, and then you choose for yourself to want more and want better. But you have to do the work to get it. So what do? Do you ask for others' help or assistance? How did they do it? Are you able to be vulnerable enough to say, I need your help? Or do you just choose to try your own way, which is fine also? But which one gets you there faster? Which one? The one that has a unified field, where there's no separation, division, and no me or you? Or the one that creates us, universal sanctification that allows unity to come forth, because the desired goal is the same. And so when you have two powers come into congruence, the magnetism in which creation can emerge is a quicker reciprocity. But if there's a constant push and pull, You'll get there, it just takes longer. So choose today, what field do you want to be in? Unity, where forces ignite and power of love from each individual space creates things yet unseen. Things yet unseen, but felt. Because when you're operating from your timeline, sometimes I lose my words because my body feels deep layers underneath the suffering, and it's hard to express from that place. It's a feeling inside me, a knowing, a truth that brings harmony and balance to my mind, heart, and soul. An unwavering love for justice, an unwavering feeling of truth embodied inside me that knows how to bring it forth for all. So my prayer and my wish is that the level of acceptance of receiving this beautiful gift that is I will be met with surrender, not resistance, love, not pain, faith, not fear. All desires being met, because the ability to come in a unified field of activation that creates from all ecosystems becoming one, letting the water rise, letting the water is the emotions, letting your emotions rise to the surface so you can explore them and not bury them, and so you can move through them with grace and ease and find a love that you've never found before, feel a love that you've never known before, because you're courage to do so. I love you. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Make waves. The wind is like the ocean right now. It feels magical. Have a blessed day. I'm going to enjoy the elements.